Tonight, I'm going to make ghost cheese and fig pizza. Ambitious? Not when you've got the smart oven air fryer. With its clever pizza function, homemade pizza will quickly become a favorite in your household. Insert the wire rack into the middle position and close the oven door. Use the function dial to select the pizza function on the LCD screen. The top numbers showcase the preset cook temperature, and the bottom shows the pizza size in inches. Both can be adjusted to your needs. You can see here that the convection and frozen settings also display. If you're working with a frozen pizza, use the frozen setting to automatically lower the temperature and extend the time slightly. Alternatively, select convection. You may notice the set cooking temperature will adjust to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. That's normal. Press the Start Cancel button to activate the Smart Oven Air Fryer's pizza function. And once it's preheated, you're ready to go. May the browning of toppings begin. Would anybody like a slice?